So today we're going to be discussing the different standard servings of drinks. Different types of drinks have different percentages of alcohol, which is why they have different standard servings. Also, it takes your liver 1 hour to process one standard drink. So we start with beer first. Beer actually contains 12 ounces of alcohol, and in a glass would look like this. 12 ounces is actually what a standard bottle of beer contains. So if you're looking for a standard drink, it would be your standard bottle. Now this is based on a beer which is 5% alcohol. Some light beers contain less, and there are some beers which actually contain more alcohol. So you should be aware of this when choosing which type of beer to drink and how quickly you're consuming it. In addition, many people think that a pint is a standard serving, but is actually 16 ounces, which is a serving and a third. Next we look at a standard serving of wine. A standard serving of wine is actually 5 ounces of wine and looks like this. However, a lot of us have the habit of drinking much larger glasses, so be careful when pouring wine. Now this is also based on a wine that contains 12% of alcohol. Again, like beer, some wines can have more alcohol or less, so again look at the label when consuming wine. Lastly, we look at hard liquor and what a standard serving of hard liquor looks like. Now hard liquor is anything like rum, vodka, gin, or tequila. Now this is actually 1.5 ounces. 1.5 ounces is a shot and is what a standard serving of hard liquor is. Now one thing to remember when drinking hard liquor is to be aware of when you're making drinks is how much you're actually pouring into each drink. So always try to use a shot glass when pouring your drink so that you make sure you're pouring 1.5 ounces each time. Another thing to keep in mind is what's in your drink. This is because many drinks contain different types of hard liquor. For instance, a Long Island iced tea actually contains half a shot of vodka, gin, rum, tequila, and triple sec. So altogether, it actually contains 2 standard drinks. So be aware of when you're pouring your drink, what different shots you're putting into it, and make sure you're measuring it correctly with a shot glass. So when it comes down to it, a drink is a drink is a drink, and this takes your liver approximately 1 hour to process. So keep that in mind.